The National Weather Service in Mobile has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for north-central Monroe County, northeastern Clark County, and southwestern Alabama, southwestern Wilcox County, until 3:15 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 2:27 p.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Groveville, moving east at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Camden, Groveville, Friedenberg, and Fulton. A tornado watch remains in effect until 5 p.m. Central Standard Time for south-central and southwestern Alabama. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. Although a tornado is not immediately likely, if one is spotted, act quickly and move to a place of safety inside a sturdy structure such as a basement or small interior room. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 3:15 p.m. Central Standard Time for the following county: Wilcox, Alabama.